What's good, YouTube? It's your boy AC Coolin, aka Big AC, back again with yet another banger for y'all, man. Now today I got something special for y'all in the studio, man. You know, I always keep that heat for y'all. I always got some special sneakers in my studio. Now, of course, I don't review every release that comes out because I'm not always a fan of every release, and I don't always want to do a video. But today I got a pair that I'm personally a fan of. You know what I'm saying? Might be one of my favorite releases so far this year. But with that being said, man, sit back, relax, and stay tuned for my personal review of the Air Jordan 12 A Ma Maniere. Alright, man, now you see this box. You know how A Ma Maniere get down with that slide out, you know, the little sleeve they got on pretty much every Jordan they ever dropped so far. But some people not a fan of that thing. It take too much time to pull the sleeve out to get to the sneaker and all that. Me personally, I like the little extra details they do. You know, it shows they take time to, you know, add little stuff to it. Now, yeah, it's a small little detail, but me personally, I care for it. But, you know what I'm saying, y'all see the sleeve, nothing crazy, gonna get the A Ma Maniere logo all over it, everywhere like always. A little bit smaller on this sleeve compared to all the other shoes, but enough about the sleeve. I know y'all don't really care about that much. Let's get into it, man. So, the box itself, in my personal opinion, you know, it's to the blind naked eye, it's a regular Jordan 12 box. But if you look closely, you know what I'm saying, you'll see the little A Ma Maniere logo right there. Now, I know, once again, small little detail, but I like small details. You got the Jumpman right there, and you got the A Ma Maniere logo right there. As well, on the other side, the same thing, Jumpman, A Ma Maniere logo. And this is a woman's exclusive sneaker. Y'all see the size tag right there, so it is a woman's 12, but it's a men's 10.5. Size 11.1 is sold out in seconds. Like the minute, 10 a.m. hit, these jumps are already gone. But I was able to get my 10.5. I can fit a 10.5 as well, so still was able to cop, you know what I'm saying. I didn't really get the 11, but the 10.5 really don't fit that bad. I did try them on for the video. But the size tag does read Women's Air Jordan 12 Retro SP, black burgundy crush, and you know how that goes. So it's a black shoe, burgundy, but enough about that. Let's get into the details of the box as well on the inside. So you see that right there. Y'all know, recognize that picture, man. Y'all don't, you know, I'm gonna give y'all like a little history of what I remember. If I'm not mistaken, this is the picture from the Jordan, the flu game he did back in. Don't get me started in line about what date it was, what year it was, and a lot of these, you know, older sneakerheads gonna, you know, probably kill me after this video, but don't really remember the date or the year. But I do remember it was a flu game. Jordan did have a crazy game that night. Was sick, you know what I'm saying, with the flu. Me personally, I think it was some other things going on, but hey, each his own. Let's get into these sneakers, man. Now, honestly, truly, this is a very, very, very beautiful sneaker in my personal opinion, man. Like, the details on this shoe, hands down, top tier, man. Like, the materials with the suede right here, the movement is crazy, man. Like, you can see that, like, crazy movement. Even on the nubuck, the little ashy nubuck on the toe box around the whole upper of the shoe. Like, just everywhere. It's a crazy, nice, soft nubuck as well, man. Like, in my opinion, A Ma Maniere always does that thing when it comes to the details on sneakers, but these 12s, I think it's their first time doing the 12 silhouette. You know, they always have, like, they have the 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s. Now they got the 12s coming out, so, well, the 12s are out now, the white and the black pair, but this black pair, it's something about us, always something about A Ma Maniere that gives me this look, like, luxury feel to it, like the way the shoe feels, the way it looks, like the details, that quilted sock line, the quilted tongue on the backside, like, everything about this sneaker is just so luxurious in my opinion. I didn't even realize on the little anklets right here, or like the little lace holders right here, you got the fucking fuggles on that, the Jumpman and the A Ma Maniere logo as well on both sides. Yeah, on both sides of that. So that's a nice little dope detail they added to the sneaker. You know what I'm saying? Got the nice little shiny plate on the side right here on both sides. The Jumpman right here. Normally it's like a little plastic. This is like a little. It's plastic still, but it's a little more thicker than the typical plate that be on the side of the Jordan 12. Me personally, when I first seen them in pictures, I was like, I don't know. But after getting these in hand, this is definitely a beautiful sneaker, man, with the wax laces, if y'all can see that. I love me some wax laces, man. The wax laces just seem so top tier in my opinion. But you can get to the second shoe. I know y'all probably tired of seeing that one. This one, of course, the same thing on this one as well. Only difference is got the, A Ma Maniere hang tag that comes, equipped with all A Ma Maniere Jordans. And then I do like the on the tongue itself, it has the plate like a little steel. I don't know, it might be plastic steel, but it's like, it feels like a good material well on this little plate, the A Ma Maniere logo right here. On the other one, you got the Jumpman as well, if y'all didn't see that. Let me get that for y'all. The Jumpman on this one. So definitely a nice little touch to these sneakers, man. Of course, you get the typical 2-3 going down the tongue as well. So they didn't really do too much changes with like the actual details of the shoe itself, but they just did like some luxurious like materials with it, like the old nubuck and suede upper. Then on the back of this one, of course, you get your typical, Jordan Jumpman as well, where it says Jordan quality inspired by the greatest player ever. On the back of this sneaker, you get the A Ma Maniere logo, and then it says quality products inspired by culture, which is true. Culture does inspire a lot, man. But this sneaker, man, personally, probably one of my favorite releases so far this year. Definitely up there top 10. I'm saying that now, I could change. In my opinion, I always change those sneakers, but so far, this, just because of the materials and details alone, definitely a top 10 sneaker. You know what I'm saying? The colorway is amazing. The bottom of it got that white outsole right there with the carbon fiber and everything in there. Real nice little touch on. It's a nice little clean sneaker. Definitely one of them shoes you don't want to, you gotta check the weather before you put these on, because you don't want to go outside and get this suede, destroyed, because you want to wear these Johns in the middle of a thunderstorm. But once again though, definitely a beautiful sneaker. Probably one of my favorite releases so far this year. Top 10, it's a possibility. But you know what I'm saying, I did get these for retail as well, so that's another good thing about this sneaker. Probably one of the easiest shoes I copped so far for retail in a while. I was able to get these on the A Ma Maniere website. The size 11 I wanted sold out, like I said, almost instantly, but I was able to get my 10.5, so I'm still happy with that. And I did get the white pair as well today, so y'all be on the lookout for that review video as well on the white pair. In my opinion, the white pair, it might be, might be a little better than these. You know what I'm saying? Y'all let me know down below which one y'all think is better, the white pair or this black pair. But man, as always, I appreciate y'all for watching my videos, tuning into my channel, getting my subscribers up, getting my views up, all that good stuff, man. Make sure y'all stay tuned to my channel. Plenty more videos coming, much more content on the way, man. As always, man, make sure y'all smashing that subscribe button, smashing that like button, smashing that share button. Y'all telling a friend to telling a friend. And y'all make sure y'all keep the notification bell on so y'all don't miss none of my drops, man. And as always, man, I appreciate y'all for watching my videos. And I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one, man. Peace.